Okay, we have a mixed number minus a mixed number. So when I do mixed numbers minus mixed numbers, I like to write them vertically. So 23 over 42 minus 7 and 5/6. Okay, now we know when we subtract fractions, we have to have the same denominator. We want to basically have them divided into the same number of pieces. Well, I always look for this. I love when this happens. So this denominator is 42. Notice 6 also goes into 42. So if we use 42 as our LCD, that means we will only have to change one of the fractions. So to make 6 42, we're going to multiply by 7. We need to multiply the top by 7 as well. So the top fraction will still be 11 and 23 over 42. The bottom fraction will be 35 over 42. Oops. Okay. So now we can subtract these. Well, I'm seeing a problem. 23 minus 35, we can't do that when we're subtracting fractions. And so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to borrow a whole here. So that's going to be down to 10. And we're going to add that whole in right here, plus 42 over 42, because we need to make this numerator bigger than this bottom 35 numerator. So let's rewrite what we have now. So now this is 10. Let's add these two together just to make it simple. So we'll have 65 over 42 minus 7 and 35 over 42. And now this is going to work because we have the same denominators and the numerator on top is bigger than the numerator on this bottom fraction. So we'll have 10 minus 7, we get 3. 65 minus 35, we're going to end up with 30 over 42. Now we've already done a few things. You might be ready to be done, but hopefully you recognize that we actually have a fraction that can be simplified. 30 and 42 have numbers that go into both of them. So I know 2 goes into both of them. Let's see if we can think of a bigger one. We know 3 can go into both of them. What about 6? Does 6 go into both of them? It does. So I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 6 to simplify this. So I get 3, 30 divided by 6 is 5, 42 divided by 6 is 7, and I can see that 5 and 7 can't go further, so this will be my final answer.